We will practice the sounds of ED by reading the sentences. Listen and repeat. At rush hour, commuters crowded into the subway. She tapped her fingers on the counter impatiently. They decided to go to the movies at 8 o'clock. The children slowly walked home in the evening. She hoped for sun on her wedding day. The old men played cards in the park. My mother often sewed our Halloween costumes. We stopped the car to look at the sunset. The plane landed at the airport on time. We cleaned the house before we went for a run.